First thing you want to do is remove the knee bolster. There's two 10mm bolts underneath. Then there's going to be 3 clips that hold it on the rest of the way. So we'll get up here. Get up here, get a trim tool behind it, and pop them off there. And then we'll pop off the other side and just kind of let it just hang out. Once you get those out, you can disconnect this temperature sensor, or you can just kind of just let it hang out if there's not a lot of tension on the wires. All right, the next thing you want to do is there's 3 7mm bolts under here. This one you have to pull the release tab down. So you'll take those 3 out. All right, once those 3 are out, make sure your steering wheel's pulled all the way towards you, like that. Then we'll take a trim tool. Then you come in from the sides where the crease is, and just slowly start working on it until you feel it. You'll hear it click as it releases. All right, and now here's the point of where you make your mind up. You can see one there, one there. Those are the 2 screws that hold the switch assembly in. You can either just leave your trim like this and just take your little torque screwdriver and take those out, swap the switch out, or you can go all the way and take all of this off. Now personally me, I'm just going to leave this on here, and I'm just going to get my little torque screwdriver. I can't remember, I think it's a T15. If it's not a T15, I'll text over what it actually is. All right, once you got the 2 T15 screws out, you should be able to just, just like that, just give her a pull and slide her out of there. And then, I don't know if I can do it on camera, but this is the new switch. So we're gonna slide this up. Yep, I'll be back. All right, once the new one is slid in, you'll feel it clip in, and then reinstall your 2 T15 screws. Do not over tighten them because you're going right into plastic, so if you try to go crazy on them, you're going to break it, and then that's going to get expensive. But now we'll turn them off, and the concern was actually that the wipers would stay on when you shut them off, and I found out while messing with it, it was like every 23 seconds, so we'll just let them go and we'll see what happens. All right, I've had this thing running for 4 or 5 minutes now, and it has not, the wipers have not ran, and it's still in the off position. I do know it says they're due for an oil change. I'm gonna ask them about that. But other than that, that's repaired. That's how you do it. Just get everything back together. Don't over tighten anything, just snug everything down. That way you don't break anything and get any weird rattles. But other than that, that concludes this video. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.